Hiya peeps! In today's video, I'll show you how you can update Roblox to the latest version on your PC or your laptop. So let's get started. Solution 1. First, try updating from Roblox website. To do this, simply open up roblox.com with your favorite browser. Log in if you haven't. Then click on any games and hit the play button. And then on Roblox Game Client. Now Roblox should open, and if there are any updates available, it'll also install them. Solution 2. If Roblox doesn't update for some reason, just uninstall it and then install the latest version. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings. Click on Apps and then Uninstalled Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for user. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now, to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now, this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Once the installation is done, you'll have the newest version of Roblox up and running. So peeps, that's how you update Roblox on your PC or laptop. If the video was helpful, please click the like button. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.